back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out the Supercharged Skincare Bundle from Alya Skin. I'm Jess, I love all things fitness, healthy lifestyle, and activewear. If you like those things too, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Alya Skin is a skincare company based in Australia. All of the skincare items contain Aussie botanicals, and they say that they'll make your skin clearer and glowier than ever. So I have the Supercharged Skincare set. It is so fun. If you know me, you know that this pink is right up my alley. Alya sent me these items to try out. The set contains the Pink Perfect Australian Clay Mask, the Foaming Micellar Cleanser, and this is infused with witch hazel and watermelon seed oil, Pomegranate Exfoliator Facial Scrub, Australian Native Berries Moisturizer, Vitamin C Supercharged Serum, and this really cute pink face cloth. Now, I have been using some of the products already because I wanted to make sure that I could speak to how they work for me. I have not yet tried the mask, so we're definitely gonna try the mask today. So I've been using this cleanser for the past week just in the shower, and it's a foaming cleanser, which I love. I've been really obsessed with foaming cleansers for some reason. So you take the cap off and you just pump it right in your hand. It's very frothy, and just put it all over your face. And I do really like the witch hazel. I feel like that really helps to clean my skin. And then there's also the Pomegranate Exfoliator Facial Scrub. And for me, this has been my favorite product so far. It has little pomegranate seed, like you can feel the grains in there. So I try to be very careful. I watch Skincare by Hiram. He doesn't like physical exfoliators, but I don't have a problem with them, but I'm very gentle. So I very, very gently smooth it over my skin. I try not to like go for too long in any certain area, and I'm very, very gentle, and I'm very gentle when I wash it away. But I love the way my skin feels after I use this. This has been really, really awesome. I'm really enjoying it. Then I've been using the Vitamin C Serum at night. This has Cockadoo Plum, Desert Lime, Finger Lime Caviar, Lily Pilly, Hyaluronic Acid. That's great. So personally, I like to use this at nighttime so that it really can sink in and do its job. And then over it, I layer the Australian Native Berry Moisturizer. I find that the moisturizer is very fragranced. To me, it has like a rosy scent, which I really love. I love anything rose scented, like sign me up. But just so that you're aware, it does have the rosy scent in this, but personally, I love it. I think it's great and I really enjoy it. This one has the macadamia oil in it. So I am going to cleanse my skin. So I'm gonna do the micellar cleanser and the exfoliating scrub, and then I'm going to put on the mask, and then I'm going to moisturize with the serum and the moisturizer. So I'm gonna take you through using the whole routine. We'll see together how the mask does. I'm really excited for it. I've been putting that one off because you shouldn't use a mask too much. So I just figured I would wait to see how I liked the cleanser and everything else on its own, and then I would add in the mask to the routine. So let's do it. Let's head to the bathroom. Here we are. I'm first gonna wet my face and use the Foaming Micellar Cleanser. Now I'm gonna go in with the Pomegranate Exfoliator Facial Scrub. Skin already already feels so soft. I love how the scrub leaves it. It's amazing. One tip, I always use a fresh, clean towel just for my face. You don't want to use your bath towel on your face because basically if you use your bath towel and then put it to dry, next time you go to use it on your face, you're just putting all that bacteria right onto your face. So I always have a separate towel that's just for my face, and I feel like it makes a big difference. Okay, next we've got the face mask. It says apply a thick, even layer to clean, dry skin. Avoid eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lip. Leave on for 10 minutes or until completely dry. Gently wash off mask and any residue. Apply Alya Skin Native Berries Moisturizer to finish. Is on. I just used a foundation brush to put it on because I don't know, that's what I wanted to do, especially when it said to avoid eyebrows and stuff. I got nervous, so I figured a brush I could be more precise. So yeah, we're just gonna let it chill for like 10 minutes. Alright, it's dry now. I'm going to use my little thing to wash it off. Step, Supercharged Serum. I know it said to do the berry thing next, but I want to show you the serum. It says to keep it in a cool, dry place, so I keep it in the box because I know vitamin C you like want to keep out of the light. So that's the serum. Usually I think like 2 pumps is fine for me. I can usually get it. And then I layer on the Native Berry Moisturizer. Feeling fresh. Wow, my skin feels so soft now. Oh my gosh. That feels amazing. Also, the washcloth that it came with was incredibly soft. I could not believe it. So I'm really happy. This mask was really fun. It definitely like dried out and got hard, and then you wash it off. And following up with those products, like my skin literally feels amazing. So I will definitely be sure to link Alya Skin below. If there's any like specials going on or anything like that, I'll make sure to link it for you so you can definitely check them out. If you're looking for a new skincare regimen, you might enjoy this. I know I'm just gonna stick with it probably I'll use the mask like once a week. Same with the exfoliator because I don't like to exfoliate too much, but I definitely will keep using the serum. Definitely the face wash, the serum at night, the moisturizer at night. I'm really excited to add these to my skincare regimen. And special thanks to Alya for letting me try out their skincare line, and to all of you for supporting my channel and making this possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed for future videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.